What's up everyone, Jude here from LMR.com. Today I'm going to be talking about the LED conversion kit designed for 2010 to 2014 Gen 1 Raptors. If you're anyone looking to convert from halogen to LED, we offer a complete kit featuring the headlights, LED, the ballast, and complete wiring harness. Now going into the details of the actual wiring harness, it's a very simple plug and play design. There is no cutting, no splicing. All you have to do is figure out how you want to run your harness, plug everything in, and you're good to go. Taking a look at the actual headlights, this is going to feature a OEM style look. It's very similar to the original ones that you find on all F-150 and Gen 1 Raptors. This is the perfect replacement headlight for any Raptor or F-150 owners that currently have the HID headlight in their truck. Very easy to do. Say you want to take off your old headlights to preserve them. All you have to do is transfer over the ballast and HID to the new headlights and reinstall. And as a quick reminder, we also have a separate video on how to adjust the headlights. This is going to work for both HID and halogen owners, so make sure to check out the link down in the description below. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and hop over. We're gonna get started on the installation process on this 2010 Raptor. So before we actually begin removing the headlights, make sure to disconnect your battery. Don't wanna have your battery connected when working on the headlights. I've already got the driver's side headlight removed, but now we're gonna start with the passenger side. Same exact process when doing this. So you have 1, 2, and then a third 10mm bolt down here at the bottom, and then you just have push pin screw combo right here. We're gonna start with the screw right here. This may be pretty easy to service and pop out with your hands. If not, you may need a push pin tool when doing this. There you go. Move the flap out of the way when you're trying to take out this bolt. You can kind of tuck it up any way as needed. Okay. All right, once you've got the 3 10mm bolts out, you're gonna take the headlight and pull it towards you. You don't wanna shift it side to side, and there are some clips right here on the inside. If you shift to the side, you could possibly break those clips. So we're gonna try to pull towards you. Get a firm grip on it. This will take some finessing to get it out. There we go. All right, now we're gonna disconnect the 3 light connectors. You should be able to apply pressure on the switch, press, pull out. Main headlight bulb, push down on the tab and pull out. And then you have the last connector right here. You gotta push down towards it and then push on it to slide it off. Okay. For the next step, we're gonna be installing the LED conversion kit. Now, obviously, if any of you guys with current HIDs and you're just replacing the headlights, don't worry about this part. It's going to be for the guys that are only doing the conversion harness. What I'm going to do for this, I'm going to take it, zip tie it. Just want to fish this through, zip tie this down. Again, entirely up to you where you want to locate it. For your driver's side cable, it's going to be the longer one. You're going to want to route this from the bottom. We're going to route it across the bottom of the radiator. Okay. Then I'm going to use zip ties to secure the wiring harness. Don't cut your wiring harness. Now you're going to take your battery wire. This is going to be the one with the fuse, and it says battery plus. I'm going to route it for up and under. And from here, I'm gonna loosen this nut here on the positive terminal. Take your eyelet, set it in place, and then reinstall the nut. Okay. Last but not least, you're gonna have your ground wire. You're gonna need to find something metal to now ground the system. So the spot for the ground that we're gonna go with is gonna be this bolt. This is gonna be an 8mm. Before I actually put the ground in place, we're gonna clean this up a little bit, get rid of any excess paint, dirt, anything like that that may cause any issues. Okay. And then you also wanna do the actual frame of the truck as well. We're gonna take our ground wire, put it through, and reinstall. Good to go with the ground. Now we got a new headlight. We're gonna set it on a tool bench with a microfiber towel. These come with the pre-installed bulbs for both the park lights and the turn signals. Now let's go ahead and get the dust cover off. And on the inside, you'll have the LED retainer. Take the LED retainer, turn it counterclockwise and remove. Ow. Over here in the kit, you will have the bulbs. Choose one, take it out, and then you'll install the retainer onto the LED bulb. There's a notch on the retainer that will click into place. Now you can take it and reinstall into the headlight. Twist and turn clockwise. Next, you'll take one of your ballast connectors and connect the metal end to the new LED. Now I'm gonna run it through the bottom of the housing, up and connect it into the LED. Before installing the LED ballast, now locate the connector that's installed to the headlight. With your ballast in hand, headlight connector will connect to this oval. The connector only plugs in one way. Now you can take the LED to ballast connector and plug it in as well. Again, this only connects one way. With both connectors plugged in, you can now install the ballast to the headlight. When installing your ballast, make sure that all 4 holes line up with the different post. Now you'll take the 4 provided screws and install to each post. You will be cutting new threads on each post. Just give it a little bit of time and ease your way into it. Make sure you don't over tighten your screws. And finally, you'll reinstall your dust cover. With the ballast and LED installed, you can now reinstall the headlight onto the truck. I'll start with the main headlight harness plugged into the LED bulb. Now I'm going to connect the park light. With your original headlight connection, you'll connect it to the conversion harness. Once you have all your connectors connected, you can tuck away all the wiring harnesses and reinstall your headlight. Once you got the headlight in, reinstall your hardware and do the same for the other side. Quick note on the driver's side harness, the connector for the actual headlight will not be used. So what I'm going to do is use a plastic bag and some electrical tape, cover it, make sure it's sealed. Once you've completed the other side, go ahead and reconnect your battery and check for operation. Make sure that the headlights, turn signals, and running lights all work properly, and you're good to go. As y'all can see, the change and the transformation of this truck is simply beautiful. The old busted halogen headlights needed to be gone out of the truck, and the new headlight kit and LED conversion really makes the truck stand out and look 10 times better. Again, this is going to fit any 2010 to 2014 Raptor and all 09 to 2014 F-150s. But other than that, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And for all things Gen 1 Raptor, keep it right here with the real Raptor enthusiast, LMR.com.